What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Luis. Let's get straight into it, boys. So, the mindset shift that allowed me to consistently catch good trades, right? Because, boys, I've literally lost $15,000 trading on prop firm accounts. I'm about to pause the video and pop it up right now. So the reason I lost so much fucking money was because my mindset in that time was only focusing on money. And what really did fuck me up though was that I started saying, oh, if I blow my account, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna just buy another one, right? So I used to full send it, try to pass the evals as quickly as possible, fuck a strategy, just pressing buy, sell, right? And even with the strategy, guys, if your mindset is not there, the money isn't going to come. The good trades aren't going to come. And, me, I still haven't made a butt fuck amount of money to where I'm able to quit my job. That's my goal right now, genuinely, to be able to make enough money so I can comfortably quit my job to reinvest in myself, to start posting more videos and stuff like that, right? How am I going to do that if I break my rules? Every time you break your rules, guys, you're taking it's like you're pushing away the successful version of yourself, right? That mindset change in me was like, wow, like if I want to become everything I want to be, right, which I already am, how do I expect to do that by not doing what the successful version of myself would do? It just doesn't make no sense, right? Of course not, right? So what did I start doing? I wrote down rules. And I literally had a sticky note on my laptop of my rules so that every time I entered a trade, I knew, I was like, did I do this? 1 was complete, was 2 complete, was 3 complete? Oh no, let me not break my rules, right? That's how I secured 3 payouts last month. And guess what? I took the sticky notes off. I thought I had it, guys. I have not made money since. Because I swear, guys, I'm going to do this right after this video. I'm going to get a sticky note and I'm going to write down my trading rules and I'm going to have it on my laptop until they're engraved. Guys, I might even tattoo them, my trading rules right here. And when I'm reading, okay, like you guys got to want it. And I know you guys want it so bad, just as bad as me. But do you really want it that bad if you can't follow your rules? And I think about that every day to myself. Like, why do I break my rules? Is it because I have no self-respect? Is it because I have no discipline? Is it because I have no patience? Is it because I don't love myself? Like, what is the reason I keep breaking my rules? And it just came down to the fact that I didn't even know my fucking rules. Like, do you have a set of rules off the top of your head, are you not just making up, right? Because if you do, then you don't have no fucking rules. How the hell do you expect to make money? I promise you guys, right? And I'm promise you guys, I'm not trying to lecture or anything like that. I'm just trying to help guide others with the information I was blessed enough to receive, right? But more importantly, is for myself too, guys. It's literally for my future self, so that whenever I feel down, whenever I feel bad about myself, which never happens, literally, it never happens. I genuinely love myself, right? But when I break my rules, I start to think like, fuck, like, what am I doing, right? I can watch back in this video and I can look at myself preaching what I know needs to be done, guys, because I forgot what it's called, but there's this thing where, you know what to do, but you don't do it. Why? Like, why? I don't know. It's hard. It becomes down, though, to discipline. How disciplined really are you, And it comes down to trading. Trading is is the thing that you need discipline the most in order to be successful. Literally, you can't chase money, guys. You have to chase the trades. You have to chase the correct trades, right? And also, like, it's almost impossible, right, to be trading and not do it for money, right? For me, I started like switching. I started what's that word called? I started like maneuvering my mindset of from money to money for someone else, money for my mom, money for my dad, money for my future self, money for my kids, you know, money for the times that, you know, I couldn't even fucking buy McDonald's. You know, I was 18, literally working construction with my dad, had no money in my fucking bank account, right? Because I literally didn't care, because I was just blowing account after account after buying account, buying, because I kept chasing money, right? So, and this is also where it comes down to, if you break your rules and make money, that is not a good thing. That might even be the worst possible thing that can happen for you. Because when you break your rules and make money, you then in the future, when you're wanting to break your rules, you're going to be like, oh yeah, if I did it once, I can do it twice. Literally, it's such a bad mindset. And that happened to me. And it still happens to me every day, guys. You know, that's why if you have your physical rules in front of you, you're literally going to be able to follow them every day. And I'm about to do that, guys. And yeah, let's make sure we all stay logged, boys. Join my Discord. And I'm about to show you guys how I mark out my trades. I mean, how I mark out my charts, right? So I can know what type of trade I'm looking for. If I'm looking for a buy or a sell, I'm going to put that right after this video. But remember, guys, don't chase the money trading. Chase the trade. Let's get it, boys. Show you, right? So right here, we got NASDAQ, right? So what I do is I'd probably start on the 1 hour, right? And market is obviously over here, right? So what's left to it, right? So I'm gonna start marking up the highs and the low of here, right? Because this is all the way in January, you know. So guys, the market moves in ranges, right? Boom, we came out, we took this low, market's looking for this high. Boom, we took out this high, market's looking for this low, right? And that's how I mark out my ranges, right? So now, market took out this, it wants to look for these highs, but it just kept coming down, right? So then, I would zoom in. As you can see, we took out this high, we took out this low. We want to be bullish now, right? So then I would go close on the 1 hour, and I would go to where, you know, this high is, right? And guys, if y'all don't know simple highs and lows, this video is not for you, my bad, right? But look, then this high got taken out, so market wants to look for the lows, right? Maybe even come down for this low down here, right? Boom, took out this high. We haven't taken out this high yet, right? So now on the 1 hour, this is what I'll be waiting for us to either take out this high to then look for this low, or for us to take this low and look for this high. But if you go to the left, you can see the momentum is down, right? So since we took out this high, you know, we took out this low, right? Right here, this is a high, and then this low, right? I'm like, okay, that must mean that market wants to keep going down, right? It's gonna take out one of these, right? And this is the 1 hour, right? So then this is what I have on the 1 hour marked up now, right? As you can see, I have now my range. I can mark it out. And then we're going to mark out this high right here. And guys, this became a solidified point, right? Now, this also became a solidified point because we took out this right here, right? So now my theory is that market, it was going to want to come up to this area over here, right? So then I'm going to go down to the 15 minute, and when I'm on the 15 minute, I look closer at my chart, right? And what do I see? We took out this low right here, right? That must mean that now this became solidified, right? So after this became solidified, because we took out this low, boom, we got a retracement back up here. Now price is probably going to want to come down, take out this low, guys. And this is how I mark up my charts. It's not difficult at all. You know, I just start from the left and I just mark out the highs, the lows, the highs, the lows, guys. And over time, you're going to be seeing the exact same things over and over again. Literally. The market always going to move in these ranges. Always. Right? And it does get a little bit complicated marking out these ranges. That's why for me, I like to stick to the 15 minute, right? And then on the 5 minute, I have a more better detailed picture and I can zoom in and see what play I want to look for. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does, guys. Thank y'all for watching this. And if y'all stick to the end, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all. Let's get it, boys. And I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully I drop a vlog tomorrow. Let's get it, boys.